Do you know that you don't need to be an expert before you start posting on Facebook? I mean, you don't need a fancy setup, expensive equipment. All you need is your phone and consistency. Let me tell you a secret. Most of these content creators you see out there, they don't write their script all by themselves. They use AI to generate the script in a minute. They perform some magic and start posting on Facebook. Now, I know you are confused when I say they perform some magic. I will show you that magic they used to perform in this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Mr. Feng. If you are new here, I create content on how to use AI, and today I'm going to show you how to use AI to generate content for you to post on Facebook so you can start building your audience. Before we dive into the real business of today, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really goes a long way for me. Before we talk about how to use AI to generate content that you can start posting on Facebook, we need to talk about the foundation. And the first thing you need to do is to pick the right niche. So choosing a niche is not something you should take lightly. It is a foundation of everything you are about to build. For instance, if you're enjoying football, creating a content about football won't be a problem for you. If you love making money online, your niche could be based on digital products, or you can choose to start posting about how to use AI, just like I'm doing right now. When you choose a niche based on your hobby, creating content become easier and more sustainable for you. And with that, you'll be able to grow your audience without stressing yourself. When you are done choosing your niche, the next thing is to use AI to start creating content. And that's what I'm about to show you now. Open your phone browser and go to chatgpt.com. Now, let me show you the prompt that you are going to be using to generate all the content you need, irrespective of your niche. Let's say I'm a content creator that's based on digital products. All I need to do is to change the niche inside the brackets to my own niche. The next thing is to enter the prompt and allow ChatGPT to do its work. As you can see, we now have a content to post for 30 days with the help of ChatGPT. But hold on, you can't be posting once in a day. You need to post in the morning, afternoon, and night. So for you to do that, it means we need to update our prompt. So here is the prompt that will allow you to choose how many times you want to be posting in a day. You can choose to post 5 times, 3 times, depend on your decision and your time. But I will advise you post at least 3 times in a day, one in the morning, afternoon, and night. Now let's go to ChatGPT to run this prompt. We want to know if it's going to give us the expected result. As usual, you need to change the niche to your own niche and input the number of posts you want. So let me show you how to do that. Now let's run the prompt and see if ChatGPT is going to give us 3 posts per day. Wow, as you can see, we have gotten the content we can post for a good 30 days without stressing ourselves. So the next thing is to copy all those content, paste it inside Notepad and edit it to fit your own way. I believe you've learned 1 or 2 things in this video, so please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.